Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the CUTTEREX Laminate and Vinyl Floor Cutter. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So once you get it out of the box, it does require quite a bit of assembly. I was really not hoping to have to assemble this much, but we'll get it all put together for you and take a look from there. All right, so I'm going to go over some of the basics of this, not the full assembly. It does come with wheels, which I have not put together. There's also a work light, an LED light that'll clip right onto this. So there's a lot of parts and pieces that still need to kind of be assembled, but I just want to show you the basic fundamentals. So first of all, good grip capability. Comes with a inches and centimeters ruler. Safety lock, all you're going to do is kind of just slide that into place. I'll show you how that just unscrews a little bit, and then it takes two hands, so hold on a second. Sorry, so this just slides left and right, and you'll kind of see the lock come in there. And that'll allow this to open up and close. You will have to assemble this to tighten on, and you know, from there basically you're going to kind of just cut through and very simply cut your stuff. Comes on different angle capabilities as well. These are all adjustable, and again, you have a work light as well. So this thing's awesome and effective, and just needs a couple minutes to kind of put it away or put it together. There is a rubberized foot down there as well, and you know, so it's easy, compact, and hopefully this will get the job done for you. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.